Hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, Blooper Reel number 14. Well, it's that time again on the show where we get to make fun of all of my mess ups. And believe you me, there is a plethora of screw up clips for me to choose from. My show is unscripted, so because of that, I get a lot of material for shows like this. But either way, enough of my talking. Let's get into the bloopers. Wrap it around and tuck it, just like that. Well, the next tip of the day has to do with glue ups. Now, there are okay, so for now, believe it or not, when you guys contact me, whether it be through the Facebook and comments down below here on the channel or on the, let's start this clip over. Huh? Without the confusion. Let's back up the camera. And there you have it. 5 updates from our show. Well, on April 2nd of 2021, I brought you, let's start over. I tested it on the show and demonstrated it's accurate. Okay, let's do this where I'm not moving the table. Take 2. Well, not every update can be a positive one. And, what's the date? And there you have it. Another 6 updates from past shows. Guys, these update shows are... Well, in continuing with our children's toy series, where I provide you with a pattern that I've come up with, today's... no. Well, over here at the... You know what? Let's get some better lighting. Hang on. Well, basically with our shop-made contraption, all you do is place your ruler... Let's move this stuff so I'm not spilling stuff everywhere. Good grief. We'll do this over here, just like this. Into your foam insulation. They go in fairly easily, but they stay nice and solid. But what if you don't have a router table? What if I told you could do edge... Let's start this over. Way that you could use your router table by offsetting your fences to do jointing. Let's start this over. It's a tough clip. Well, our final clip of the day has to do... Clip? Well, our final tip or trick of the... Boy. For edge jointing when you want to glue butt end of... Let's start this over. Jointer and couldn't do the edge jointing, how you could offset the fences on some 3/4 inch MDF here. It's 26 inches long, I believe. Let's start this over. What is the first one? Where is my list? One moment. Yes, I have a list. I always have a list. I just don't know if I can find my list. So list. Where are you here, John? List. What the heck? Now this clip could go on for a while, boys. Good thing there's a new memory card in there. I just want to know what the first tip was for the day on my list. Here we go. All right. Well, we have 4 of these shows under our belts, and today clamp it down and figure out exactly how large it is, but that's only if it's okay. Let's start that over. Oops. Just like that. Then you take the other one and move it over until it touches. Now you have to make sure that the piece of wood goes above the center point, but I didn't, and now I need a new piece. Stand by. With the one on your ruler, and you want to line up your other one. Let's get a longer ruler. When you're using a router to mortise in crap. It's what I would use anyway if I was in my tip shows. And the way that they use, let's start over. And the same holds true in today's show, and it's all crap. Hang on. The way I like to work it is I give about four, I give four. Well, I don't know if you guys have noticed a pattern when it comes to my shows about tips. Things like finding the center. If you have trouble with fractions and haven't gone to make that, can't divide on that fraction calculator. About a half an hour just to give the jig what? And I'm gonna let this sit up for sit up. Get some of that mess off my table saw. It's from that oak project. Messy stuff. Okay, there we go. Excuse me. Oh, I'm recording. Okay. Well, the purpose of bringing your sled to be proud of, and they can display in their rooms or they can play with or whatever you. And let's start that over. They will be cut out of the 1/4-inch maple, and these 1-inch these tires here, 3/4 of an inch in diameter, they will be cut. Brush in the cup while you're working on the joints because the cup, and we will place a hole here and cut that out as well. So let's see if it's any ones that are on my circle template. Of course it's not. Let's not even talk about that. So what I have chosen is a piece of cherry that I had up in the rack, and this, I don't even know the thickness. Using a 1/4 sheet sandpaper with some a quarter, but it's easily corrected with a 1/4 sheet sand. But all right, and at this point now we can peel off our pattern, and we're going to give the entire. Start this over. Get this set a little better. And carry on with the project and finish it off anyway. But what I need to do. Well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, adjusting the speeds on the Rikon 30-212 VS variable speed drill saw. What? Drill saw. I was doing so good until I said it was a drill saw. Okay, start this clip over. Is in the top housing. It goes anywhere from, in the lowest setting, my note that I just had stuck to the bottom of the camera just fell to the floor. To the adjusting pulley in the middle, and then one much larger, thicker belt from that adjusting pulley to your actual. Oh. Well, hey there, guys. You never know until you speak exactly what it is you've got in your throat. One moment, please. Image here. This is the photo taken with the exact, filter on there without our parchment paper filter. Start over. Well, you can see here that I have taken a piece of, oh no, I have 1/4 inch MDF. It is 11 inches, sorry, let's start this over. Right here. And the two of them will slide together. Let me cut one of those, and playing dominoes in the shop today. Make sure that you don't cut the bottom section. And once all the glue, well, this is a great little project that is
sitting on the darkened bed, it's a darling life.
This is why I don't film in the house very often. Well, for years I have been singing the praises of Autosol metal polish. Do I have some here to show you? It is in the house. Let's start this clip over. Well, when I draw out some of my does this fit on here? Barely. Let's back that camera up. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in this week. I hope you've enjoyed the program. I hope maybe you've given yourself some, I want to thank, well, hey there guys, and welcome back. On this week's show, a child's toy hit a bit? We'll glue onto the base of our helicopter, just like this. So, then was my power carver with some diamond burrs. But today's method is a little different. What's the word? I don't know. Let's start this clip over. We're going to drill a 3/32 diameter hole through, let's start this over. Having some technical issues here, folks. Well, hey. And not just any router table, they wanted it for the Master 2. But not just any router table, they wanted to see it for the Master Fence 2. Is that what it's called? Yes. Starting over again. And not just for any router table, but specifically for the Jessum's miter. And there you have it. Edge jointing on the router table. In this case, using the Jestum? Can you tell I haven't been in front of the camera for a while? I've been on hiatus. Well, the next thing we need is 5 pentagons. So I know that a pentagon can be a little confusing to draw. Well, let's get all my test pieces out of here. So at least I look like I might know what I'm talking about. You'll need one piece at 2 and 3 and one piece that is 2 and 17. Damn it. Bless me. How much work it must be to put together 2 episodes of a show a year. That is 104. Let's start that over. Still work. Yeah, I'd say they work. Warning, do not look directly into the LED strip. We're going to get into those corners. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my circle template, which I should have already had. You can use a oscillating disc sander. What? And there you have it. Blooper reel number 14. Guys, it is hard to believe that we have had 14 of these episodes. It's easy to believe that I've had enough material to cover 14 episodes, but the fact that I've put out 14 is unreal. I hope that you guys enjoy these little fun steps aside from our regular format of the show. But then again, that's what the Tuesday show was created to do. It was to give me a platform to showcase things other than woodworking and that sort of thing. So why not take 10 or so minutes out of our day to have a few laughs at my expense, because gosh knows I laugh like there's no tomorrow at these clips. My wife can always tell when I'm editing a blooper reel because I sit at my desk editing away and I'm just chuckling the whole time, laughing at myself. Quite often I have to stop editing to finish laughing, and then of course I have to call her and say, oh, check this out, you gotta see this clip. Either way, that's it for this week, guys. I hope you've enjoyed episode number 14. If you haven't already, and if this hasn't scared you off, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. We have a lot of fun here on the show, and I'm hoping that you will consider becoming a part of that. Click that bell and then you won't miss notifications of future episodes of foolishness like today's. Guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you've had a couple laughs today. I hope that you've enjoyed what I've brought you. And more importantly, I hope if you haven't unsubscribed by now, I hope that you're going to join me again next week when I bring you yet another Alternative Tuesdays.